Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best Delonghi air conditioner hose is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for maintaining optimal cooling performance in your home, ensuring that your portable air conditioning unit effectively expels hot air and brings in cool, refreshing air, thereby maximizing its efficiency and your comfort during those sweltering summer months. Number 5. TURBRO 5-inch Universal Portable Air Conditioner Exhaust Hose. Before purchasing, please verify that your current hose has a 5-inch diameter and clockwise threading. Refer to the images to ensure compatibility. This replacement hose is extendable, offering flexibility for various room sizes. It can be adjusted from 16 inches up to 78 inches for optimal placement. Installation is straightforward. Simply expand the hose ends, align them with the couplers, and twist clockwise to secure. It's designed for an easy setup. Our exhaust hose is built to last, without any unpleasant odors. It's a robust replacement for cracked hoses and fits most portable AC units with a 5-inch diameter. We're here to help if you have any questions about sizing, installation, or if you receive a defective product. Contact us through Amazon or our official service email for assistance. What we like. This replacement hose offers a generous expandable length, perfect for larger rooms or when you need extra flexibility. If you have a spacious area to cool or find your current hose is too short, this is a great option. Its sturdy, odor-free design ensures durability and a pleasant user experience. What people say. This exhaust tube is durable, it's well built, the cupping was easy to do in the reverse counterclockwise order, it did not compromise any of the exterior of the bend in it, and it's very flexible and it is very durable, and I'm very pleased with it. I highly recommend this product. This TURBRO portable AC exhaust hose does the job. Sturdy enough plastic that doesn't feel like it'll collapse with normal use, and it stretches out to its full length without kinking too badly. The 78-inch reach gives extra flexibility compared to the stock hoses that usually come with portable AC units, and the 5.9-inch diameter fit my machine without modification. I bought this as the existing LG hose was too short. It arrived well packed and not damaged. I extended the hose out and the diameter 6 inches fitted perfectly to the LG unit and to the accessory that fits into the wall. The hose is reasonably flexible and I had two 90-degree bends on it to accommodate the fit. Number 4. Portable AC Window Vent Kit with 5-inch Hose. Introducing our portable AC window vent kit, designed for effortless installation. This kit is perfect for cooling your space without complex setups. It features a universal design that fits most vertical and horizontal sliding windows. The adjustable panels ensure a snug fit for optimal performance. This kit is specifically designed for air conditioners with a 5-inch exhaust hose. Please ensure your unit's hose diameter matches before purchasing. Forget complicated installations. Our kit requires no extra tools, making setup and removal a breeze. An installation video is also provided for your convenience. Constructed from durable PVC, this window seal is built to last. It's a reliable solution for both home and office use. You'll receive everything you need: multiple window seal panels, a coupler, an exhaust hose, and an adapter. All designed for a 5-inch hose diameter. What we like. This option comes as a complete window kit, making it incredibly convenient for setting up your portable AC. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution that includes the hose and a sealing mechanism for your window, this is ideal. Its adjustable window seal fits most sliding windows, ensuring a snug fit and efficient cooling. What people say. Fit perfectly with Emerson QuietCool. The OEM ring that attaches to the AC works on those tube, and the fly rounded head is better than original. The slides are shorter and have a locking mechanism. Way easier to install. This kit worked perfectly for my system. The adapter fit from my old unit perfectly to the hose. The window panels have a lot of range options. It is all well made and perfect for the cost. Super easy to set up. Fit my portable AC Delonghi, model, PAC EL275HGRKC, 3ALWH perfect fit. Much better than the kit that came with it. My unit is 5 diameter and the hose screws in counterclockwise. Number 3. Portable Air Conditioner Window Kit. Keep your room cool and comfortable for longer. This kit efficiently vents hot air outside, preventing warm air from re-entering your space and saving you energy. Crafted from high-quality PVC, this accessory is built to last. It resists extrusion and aging, ensuring it can be used season after season. It's also easily stored when not needed. Setting up is a breeze with its innovative design. No extra tools are required for a quick and easy installation or removal. A helpful installation video is also provided. This adjustable seal fits most vertical and horizontal sliding windows. It can be easily stretched and adjusted to your specific window size, with a maximum adjustable length of 63 inches. The kit includes everything you need: fixing plates, an adjustable plate, a coupler, an exhaust hose adapter, a 59-inch exhaust hose, and sealing tape. Please verify your window dimensions before purchase. What we like. Focusing on efficiency, this kit provides strength and sealing to keep your room cool longer and save on energy bills. If you're concerned about energy consumption or want to maximize your AC's cooling power, this is the choice for you. The durable, reusable PVC material means it's a long-term investment for your comfort. What people say. It came with everything needed to seal the window properly and keep the hot air out, no more warm air creeping in around the edges. The panels are adjustable, which worked great for my sliding window, and the plastic feels sturdy enough to last through the summer. It fits snugly and doesn't rattle or move around, even on windy days. Plus, the seal helped my AC run more efficiently and cool the room faster. Number 2. FUBININA 80 Portable Air Conditioner Hose. This portable AC hose features an anti-clockwise thread and a 5.9-inch outer diameter, designed to fit most portable air conditioners. Please verify the thread direction and size match your unit before purchase. Enjoy flexible cooling with a length that extends from 15 to 80 inches, offering one of the longest reach options available. It can be easily positioned at any angle to suit your space, whether it's a home office or any other room. Crafted from high-quality polypropylene and stainless steel, this exhaust hose is built for durability and longevity. It's resistant to high temperatures and free from toxic odors, ensuring your air conditioner operates efficiently. Setting up is a breeze and takes less than 5 minutes. Simply connect it to your portable AC's exhaust vent by rotating it counterclockwise until it snaps in place, then direct it out your window. Need more length? The ends of these hoses connect securely, allowing you to combine multiple extensions for custom lengths. Enjoy cool air throughout your home or office with this versatile solution. Before you buy, please confirm your original hose has a 5.9-inch outer diameter and an anti-clockwise threading direction. Double-checking these details ensures a perfect fit for your portable air conditioner. What we like. This hose boasts the longest extendable length in the market, offering unparalleled flexibility for any space. If you need maximum reach or have a particularly challenging room layout, this is the hose for you. Its premium, durable materials and wide compatibility with many AC brands make it a reliable choice. What people say. Connecting was a tight fit, but the hose stays put perfectly. This product was exactly what I was looking for. The dimensions were correct as described. Plus it's like 12 inches longer than the original manufacturer part. Number 1. Delonghi Air Conditioner AC Locking Exhaust Hose. Ensure optimal performance with this genuine Delonghi replacement part. It's designed specifically for your air conditioner. This locking exhaust hose is designed for a straightforward installation. Simply connect it to your unit and the window vent. This hose is compatible with several Delonghi portable air conditioner models, including PACC 130EK, PACCQ 120, PACCT 110, and PACCT 90. Properly functioning exhaust is crucial for efficient cooling. This hose helps maintain the seal for maximum effectiveness. Made with durable materials, this exhaust hose is built to last. It's a reliable component for your air conditioning system. This is a direct replacement for the original exhaust hose. Get your air conditioner back to its best with this essential accessory. What we like. This is an OEM part, specifically designed for certain Delonghi models. If you own one of the listed compatible models and need a direct, perfect fit replacement for your original hose, this is the only option. It ensures guaranteed compatibility and performance as intended by the manufacturer. What people say. The hose is a perfect fit for my Delonghi portable air conditioner. It's a sturdy and durable hose that feels like it will last a long time. The length of the hose is adequate for most room setups, allowing for flexible placement of the air conditioner. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.